Each and every one of us deserves to heal, and we all have a unique path to healing. As Indigenous people, we owe it to ourselves to heal the wounds of the past and keep moving forward.
My name is Kendra Weenie. I am an author, speaker, and workshop facilitator from Sweetgrass First Nation, and I'm a survivor of childhood sexual abuse and domestic violence. A Path to Healing workshops came about when I was about 7 or 8 years into my own healing journey. I learned a lot through my own healing after leaving an abusive relationship, and I also learned a lot about our history as Indigenous people, the history of residential schools and all of the intergenerational effects that it has on our communities today. So then the idea of the workshops came about. The idea was to create, resources to educate people that are wanting to heal and wanting to set a good example for their children, for their grandchildren, so that eventually they'll want to create a better life for themselves, or even believe that they deserve a better life. When you start your path to healing, it is extremely rewarding. You gain confidence, you develop better relationships with the people around you, you start attracting opportunities for yourself, and the best thing I would say is you create a ripple effect for the people around you, your close friends and family, allowing them to start their own path to healing. Doing the work that I do, it's allowed me to keep moving forward, especially when I receive those Facebook messages or those emails from other survivors, saying thank you for sharing, or I attended your workshop recently and I really enjoyed it. It's a really good reminder that I should keep going and I should keep, giving back and trying to help my people.